Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this quick and clear tutorial, I'll walk you through how to get a refund on AliExpress in 2025, step by step. Whether your item didn't arrive, came damaged, or wasn't as described, I've got you covered. Let's begin. Step 1. Go to your orders. Start by opening the AliExpress app or going to aliexpress.com on a browser. Log into your account and go to My Orders. Find the item you want to request a refund for. Tip: make sure the item is still within the protection period. Step 2. Click Open Dispute. Next to the order, click Open Dispute. You'll be taken to the dispute form. Now choose whether you want a refund only or a refund and return. In most cases, sellers will offer a refund without needing the item returned. Step 3. Fill out the dispute form. Now explain the problem clearly. Select the reason, for example, item not received, product not as described, damaged on arrival. Then add photos or videos if necessary. This helps support your claim. Enter the amount you want refunded, usually the full price, and submit. Step 4. Wait for seller response. The seller has 5 to 7 days to respond to your dispute. They may accept, reject, or propose a partial refund. You'll be notified via email and in your AliExpress account when they reply. Keep checking your messages so you don't miss updates. Step 5. Escalate if needed. If you and the seller can't agree, you can escalate the dispute. AliExpress customer service will step in to review and make a final decision. This usually takes 3 to 5 business days. Step 6. Refund confirmation. Once approved, the refund will be processed to your original payment method, usually within 3 to 15 business days, depending on your bank or card. You can track the refund status under My Orders, View Details, and that's how you request and receive a refund on AliExpress, the right way in 2025. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more tutorials like this. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments. I'm here to help.